would have thought that a shining glass ball could change world civilization? Yep, lights are so important. But, have you ever thought, who actually invented the lamp? Generally, many school students will mention Thomas Alva Edison's name when asked who invented the light bulb. But is that really true? You could say it's true, but it's not entirely true either. The history of the invention of the lamp is not as simple as we find a lost key. At first, humans continued to look for more efficient alternative lighting, ranging from torches, candles, to oil lamps. But all lighting using this fire certainly has some risks, such as fire and raw materials, which are quite wasteful. The history of the light bulb is like a rolling snowball, where the snowball seen now is a combination of previous small snows. The lamps that we use today can also be found because of previous small inventions. Well, the first to snow began in the 1800s, where an Italian inventor named Alessandro Volta managed to find that an electric current could be conducted through zinc, copper, cardboard, and salt water using copper wire. Through this electric current, many inventors are competing to find other ways to see in the dark. They think about how to make electricity flow stable and accessible for households. Not to mention at that time, the only source of electricity came from batteries, which were also quite expensive. One of them Humphrey Davy, an inventor from England. In 1802, he applied an electric current to a platinum arc that made it glow brightly. Well, this is where the first electric object was born, which was used for lighting. Then in 1831, Michael Faraday, his student, developed Davy's lamp on a large scale with the help of a generator. Davy's lamp at the time used two adjacent carbons to conduct electricity, resulting in a bright light. However, Davy's lamp was too bright, burned quickly, was very expensive, and was not suitable for household lighting. As a result, Davy's lamp developed by Faraday can only be used in certain places, such as crossroads and lighthouses. In 1840, it was Frederick de Moulins' turn, an English inventor who tried to get involved in the world of lighting. In fact, he was the first to get a patent for an incandescent lamp. He used two platinum wires to heat powdered carbon. He had also used a glass ball to make the lamp shine even more. But again, the wire melts too quickly, so it can't be accessed by the general public because it's quite expensive. The inventors continued to look for ways how a wire does not burn quickly when conducting electricity with materials that are affordable for the public to buy. Until an English chemist and physicist named Joseph Swan began developing electric lighting in 1860. He began to use the design of the lamp in the form of an impermeable bulb in an attempt to reduce oxidation in space, so as to prevent rapid combustion. Swan used carbon paper wire in his glass bulbs to make it cheaper, but the vacuum Swan made still had many drawbacks, such as oxidation prevention, which was still ineffective in minimizing combustion, so the lamp lasted only a few minutes when it was patented in 1878. Seeing this deficiency, Thomas Alva Edison began to try to fix it. In 1879, Edison and his team, using 6,000 experiments with various materials for light bulb wire that does not burn quickly, until it comes to the use of bamboo carbon as the basic material of wire with a thin size, which is considered efficient enough to reduce combustion. Edison also improved the airtightness of the Swan design. As a result, for the first time, a light bulb can be lit for 600 hours. Edison's light bulb was the starting point for the commercialization of light bulbs for household activities. This prototype is then continuously developed, so that we can enjoy its light now. So who invented the light bulb? Mentioning Thomas Alva Edison as the inventor of the light bulb is actually legitimate, as long as we know he didn't just find it like finding money in his pants pocket. Long before Edison, the idea of electric-powered bright objects had long been developed by other great inventors. Then, why is Edison's name the most mentioned? Because thanks to Edison, lamps can be reached by many people, and can be used more efficiently than candles and torches. The presence of light bulbs in homes certainly changes many things, such as human habits, especially for activities at night. A great discovery does not stop at one time, and it's good that a thought or idea continues to grow. Just imagine if the inventor of the first lamp did not allow his work to be developed. How much longer would we have to fill with kerosene for oil lamps?